Hello friends, welcome you all in SRIP Edu Pharma channel. Myself Sujita Mankar. I here to discuss how to create a research poster. Before starting my lecture, I request to like SRIP Edu Pharma channel and subscribe our channel and like and share the video for informative videos. Okay friends, then let's start with what is research poster. Posters are widely used in academic community and most conferences include poster presentation in their program. Research posters summarize information or research concisely and attractive to help publicize it and generate discussion. So this is the research poster. To continue research poster introduction, the poster is usually a mixture of a brief text mixed with table, graph, pictures and other presentation format. At a conference, the researcher stand by the poster display while other participants can come and view the presentation and interact with author. So these are the introduction part of research poster. So research poster is compiled with a brief text mixed and with a table, graph and picture and other presentation format which included for a research poster. For preparation of good poster, there are some important tips or point to make a good poster. So there we study what makes a good poster. So first, important information should be readable from about 10 feet away. So there are the information should be readable from about 10 feet away. Title is short and draws interest. Word count of about 300 to 800 words. Text is clear and to the point. Use of bullet, numbering and headlines make it easy to read. Okay. Next, effective use of graphics, color and font. And next, consistent and clean layout. And last, include acknowledgement, your name and institutional affiliation. So these are the points which make our research poster in a professional way, in a good way, in a informative way. So this is the way to make a good poster, a good research poster. So there is an example of well-designed poster. In this poster, we saw that the title is short, the name of scholar or a presenter or affiliation of, and there are the short test, brief test, and also graphics are colorful and informative, and some graphical images are in this poster. So this is some example of a well-designed poster. Before we make a research poster, first we think, where do I begin? So there are the answer. These are the three questions when we think. What is the most important, interesting, outstanding finding from my research project? How can I visually share my research with conference attendees? Should I use chart, graphs, photo and images? Third, what kind of information can I convey during my talk that will complement my poster? So these are the three main questions when we think before preparing a research poster or for making a answerable good poster. For preparation of poster, we can use software. So there are some software, like first is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is the most popular and easy to use option. It is a part of Microsoft Office. Okay, it is available in every library of computer. So this is a first software. And next is Adobe Illustrator. Photoshop and InDesign. This is the a feature-rich professional software that is good for poster, including lots of high-resolution image, but they are more complex and expensive. So this is not for this is not easy to use for a common person. It is used by some professional person, or it is required some professional person to make a poster. Okay, and next is open source alternative. OpenOffice is the free alternative to MS Office. Okay, and Inkscape and GIMP are alternative to Adobe product. And for chart and diagram, try Glyphy or Lovely Chart. These are the software which we can use to make a poster. So in this video we discuss about how to create a good research poster. So thank you for listening. Please subscribe our channel SRIP Edu Pharma and like and share to get some informative video. Thank you so much.